Hello, hello, beautiful people. We are here in the historic center of Quito, Ecuador. We are right here in Plaza Grande, and there are so many historic buildings around here. There's so much history, and as you walk the streets down here, you can absorb the vibes of all the buildings, and it's really beautiful. Let's go check it out. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. The sun is shining. Usually here, it's slightly chilly and it rains a lot, but today it's just a different day. The sun is out. There are tons of people around. It is a Tuesday afternoon. And honestly, I'm about to take the sweater off actually. It's getting a bit too hot. You see they're chanting over there for some presidential campaigns. I believe the election day was yesterday.
Sombrilla, paraguas, sombrillas, sombrillas.
Si se pudo, si se puede, somos presidente.
News stations here. We're gonna walk away from that because I don't like to put myself in political situations. I don't do politics. I don't vote. I don't pay attention because they're all corrupt. They're all controlled by deeper forces. There are people behind the scenes that are really controlling everything. So at the end of the day, it's just this facade that people have power when they vote somebody in, but really, all the decisions are not made by the president. They're made by people behind the scenes. So I don't like to be involved myself in that, but I just filmed it for you guys so you can see it. Look at that, they're ready to go with their shields and everything. That being said, I know there's been a lot of tension with Ecuadorian politics. So I don't know, I guess that because the elections were just yesterday, they were anticipating some kind of riot or something because look at how they had all that gear and shields and everything. They're definitely prepared for some kind of riot. Look at that, we are nearing November and we got all the Christmas decorations for sale. Seen some people buying like bulbs and everything. People are getting prepared for Navidad. Okay, we're gonna go to the supermarket that's right here. It's not a big one, but it's called Tia because I need potatoes. I think they'll have potatoes. I'm gonna make some empanadas. And I could also use some more masa de maíz for arepas. When I was in Bogota, I had a nanny that was from Venezuela, and she taught me how to make arepas, and I'm in love. They're amazing. So get more that flour to make those. Yeah. All the way to end there, I see the frutas y verduras, fruits and vegetables. Let's see if they got papas. Oh, so beautiful. Papas are here. Papa chola amarilla. Oh no, Maya. Yeah. Price. We'll take them. I like to use my stroller hood when I do my grocery shopping like that. And here's where I'll find flour. Permisi. Arroz. No, not this side. This vegetable grease. Let's see if it's vegan. I don't think it is vegan, but I don't like the. It's got that Mexican taste. I wonder. Let me see. Okay, we have amarillo, yellow, integral, whole wheat, and then blanco, which is white. Which one do we want? We'll go with the integral. It's the only one I haven't tried out of the three. Everyone's always saying how cute baby is. It draws a lot of attention. If there's anything else I want. How's it going, boo? Yeah? I think that's it for now. Let me just actually see what diapers look like. No, I have a feeling it's on the other side actually. These wings. I'll get some of these. Always check the ingredients to be safe. We'll get diapers from the pharmacy. Okay, guys, we are at this pizza restaurant that has a vegan option. It doesn't have vegan cheese. He really wants my microphone right now. It doesn't have vegan cheese, but it's a calzone without cheese. And I also got a lemonade. Yeah, let's try this calzone. Glad to see beautiful wood fire oven. Put lots of olives in there. Let's go. Let's try this aki. Let's see if it's spicy. Doesn't smell spicy. It's a little bit spicy, not too much. It's a really big calzone. This was about $6. The lemonade was $2. Lemonade's nice and fresh. So we put olives in there, a bunch of spinach. Well, it was like a mixture of spinach and mushrooms, tomato sauce. This nice fresh dough. Really good.